Your insurance needs may change as your life changes, and here to help us understand the importance of these changes as annual enrollment is approaching are today's community sponsor, C.H. Smith Insurance. We have Travis Maines, owner, and Jim Moore, a representative, joining us this afternoon. Thank you for being with us.
Thanks. Thank you.
Okay, so before we talk about annual enrollment and what all that means, let's talk about C.H. Smith Insurance, because you're celebrating a huge anniversary in
100 years. 100 years today, or this year. Back in 1921 in Bismarck, Illinois, we started as a crop insurance agency, and then we moved to Danville in 1951, and I'm the fourth owner. Very proud to be able to say that, and we look forward to the next 100 years.
Well, let's talk a little bit about how things have evolved over the last 100 years from when it started to where we are now. How have things changed?
Well, I'll tell you, we started out as a crop insurance agency in the home of the original owner, Clarence Smith. Harlan moved it to Danville and became a property casualty agency. Bob Edding from Charleston, Illinois, bought the agency in 1995. And then I was honored to be able to buy it in 2014. And we've diversified into health as well as commercial insurance, and life insurance is now a large part of our business. Medicare, though, continues to be more and more of our business every day because of the misunderstandings.
What are some of those misunderstandings?
Jim?
Well, a lot of people don't realize that right now, or October 15th to December 7th, is what they call the annual election period. At that time, you can choose a new Medicare Advantage plan if that's the type of plan you'd like to have. And you can also choose or change your Medicare prescription drug plan. The other option is a Medicare supplement, but this annual election period doesn't really affect that. So a lot of people are misunderstood, I think, because they think Medicare covers everything. They think that once I have Medicare, Part A and B, A is the hospital and B is the doctor, and then Part D, which is the drug plan, they think that they've got everything, but that's not necessarily the case. You normally have to have either a supplement or what they call a Medicare Advantage plan.
Now, being someone who's not quite at Medicare age requirements yet,
long way from it, right?
This sounds kind of overwhelming. So for people out there who are needing to make these decisions now, and they've got this open window,
right?
How do they go about deciding which one is the best plan for them?
Okay. Well, ideally, they need to go to an insurance counselor, someone like us that would go through all the plans and give them the options that are available to them. Medicare does provide a website, Medicare.gov, that you can go and research on that site as well. Typically, what would happen is if you went there, you're probably going to be confused because there's a lot of language that you may not understand, or you misunderstood what the actual benefits were. So you should, even if you go to that website and you think you figured things out, you probably should run it by an agent or somebody that deals with it every day to avoid any mistakes and wrong sign-ups.
Yeah, so Travis, he's saying, come talk to a representative like me over here. Why should people choose you and your agency?
Well, we make sure that we build a relationship with your family, not just the insured. One of the things you mentioned is it's overwhelming for someone your age. Well, typically the power of attorneys for those individuals on Medicare are their children. And so the children, or the power of attorney, needs to know what mom and dad have as their insurance. So we invite the next generation into the meetings because that's who we're going to work with when we have a claim. And it's important for the children of the insureds to know what mom and dad have and how it will work when they're ill. And so there are correct expectations of coverage. And when you have misinformation or no information passed to the next generation, things can become very emotional and just the wrong outcome. So we want to build a relationship with our clients. We want to know their family. I just met with a client and her daughter from Chicago last Friday for 3 hours as her mom and dad are dealing with some care issues. So it's not just a cookie cutter program here. We build a plan together, and we build a plan for your health insurance.
All right. Well, like Jim mentioned, annual enrollment starts October 15th, runs through December 7th. So if this is the time for you to start, checking over your plans, your Medicare Advantage or your prescription plan, C.H. Smith Insurance, these are your guys to come and check out. What's the best way for people to learn more, maybe connect with you and reach out?
We'd like to have phone calls, 217-442-6500. Our website is available at chsmithinsurance.com, and you can ask for Jessica Wilson, and she'll make an appointment for myself or for Jim Moore.
Okay, well, we appreciate you both being here, sponsoring our segment today. If you have any questions and you want to learn more about the annual enrollment period and you want to connect with C.H. Smith Insurance, we'll be sure to connect you at ciliving.tv.